Hey fans, welcome to Math with McMurdo. I hope you enjoy these videos. Bennett has 3 containers of juice. The table shows the volume of juice in each container. Put these containers in order of volume from least to greatest. We have our table here. Bennett's juice is the title of our table. We have 2 columns. One column is the name of the container, X, Y, and Z. The second column is the volume in liters, and that's 927 thousandths, 499 thousandths, 2 65 hundredths liters. So when we compare decimals, when we're putting decimals in order or we're doing inequalities where we go less than, equal than, or greater than, we want to start by writing them down, lining up the place values, just like we're doing some adding and subtracting. So if I take X and I have 0 and 927 thousandths, I want to put the Y right below it at 0 and 499 thousandths. Then I want to put the Z below that at 2 and 65 thousandths. Now I have these 3 down. I want to make sure it makes my life easier if I make them go out to the same place value. So these 2 both go out to the thousandths. So if I take this one out to the thousandths, I'm not changing the value, but I'm just taking it out to the thousandths. So now I'm going to start with the greatest place value on our list. The greatest place value is the ones place. In the ones place, we have a 0, and a 2. I'm going from least to greatest. I can tell you right now, my greatest is the one with the 2 in the ones place, so Z is going to be the greatest. You write that, so it looks like a Z. All right, so I'm done with Z. This is my greatest. Oh, we're going least to greatest, my bad. I'm still done with my Z. The greatest is going to be Z. So it's way down there. Now I have, in the ones place is already done, I go to my next greatest place value, which is the tenths place. I have a 9 and a 4. So here's our difference. The 4 is smaller than the 9, so the 4 is going to be our smallest place, or the smallest tenths. So that is going to be Y, because, and since we have Y and we have Z, X is going to be the one in the middle, because it's 927 thousandths is greater than 499 thousandths. So it's going to be Y, X, and Z in that order from least to greatest. Least, the second one, and the greatest. Now they put it with only 2 decimal points behind, or only 3 total digits, because it's going to make it look different if you don't line up the decimal points as you're doing it. Like I did here. I lined up the decimal points. I lined up the place values. Ones over ones, tenths over tenths, hundredths over hundredths, and thousandths over thousandths. And then I start comparing with the greatest place value. And in this number, the greatest place value is the ones place. It's the biggest value. Think of money. If I have a number here, that'd be like $2 with $0 and $0. So the greatest place value in this particular problem is the ones place. Please subscribe because I said so. I am sure we rock and rolled some math. I am sure you loved every second of it. Let other people know. Share, like, subscribe, and share again. Please let the world know how much fun you had watching these videos.